When it comes to making videos on my phone, I love being able to capture very candid moments, but all the videos I take become these little fragments and I'm not able to really piece them together.
I make urban dance videos around the Los Angeles area, so it's kind of like an advertisement for them to show off their moves and skills, and usually I like to give my videos to the people in a week. I feel like that's not enough time. Like, I'm a student and like sometimes we don't have the time to edit. It's a process that's a little overwhelming. I think first things first, the great thing about Premiere Rush is that I can edit on my phone on my way to class or on my way to work, and then I can open up that same exact video on my computer and edit from there.
I really love how easily I was able to manipulate the fonts and the colors. It's just so customizable. There are so many different aspects to Premiere Rush that make it an easy app.
One of my favorite things is you don't really have to be an expert on color correction to come out with a very beautiful image.
I'm really excited to be able to use it in undergraduate student government, where I'll be able to take videos of all the events we put on. It gives you a lot of flexibility.
I see myself using this to create more videos because of just how quick and easy the app is to use. It's just fun to bring people's visions to life. It's really rewarding.